If you want awesome products at great prices, check out the in the description. Exclusive, Brexit's bitter pill, how Britain's cancer patients are paying the price asterisk. The post-Brexit landscape is casting a long, dark shadow over the UK's healthcare system, leaving cancer patients particularly vulnerable. A devastating new report, obtained exclusively by name of publication, reveals a stark reality. British citizens are tragically losing out, while the rest of Europe enjoys a golden age of groundbreaking cancer research and treatments. The findings, the product of meticulous research by leading experts from Cancer Research UK, the University of Southampton, Hatch Research Consultancy, and numerous leading clinicians and scientists, paint a grim picture of bureaucratic hurdles and crippling costs directly attributable to Brexit. This isn't simply conjecture. It's a damning indictment of a system failing its most vulnerable citizens. The 54-page report unequivocally demonstrates how Brexit has severely hampered the ability of UK doctors to provide NHS patients with life-saving medications and access to cutting-edge clinical trials. This isn't about theoretical possibilities. This is about real people facing real, life-or-death consequences. The report details specific instances where crucial treatments have been delayed or outright denied due to the added complexities and financial burdens imposed by leaving the European Union. These aren't minor inconveniences. These are delays that directly impact survival rates. Imagine a scenario where a revolutionary new drug, proven effective in clinical trials across Europe, is unavailable to a British patient simply because of the bureaucratic labyrinth created by Brexit. This isn't a hypothetical exercise. It's the daily reality faced by countless individuals battling cancer in the UK. The report meticulously documents these instances, highlighting the devastating impact on patients and families grappling with a disease that demands swift, decisive action. The report's findings confirm the dire warnings issued by experts before the Brexit vote. Dr. Martin McKee, professor of European Public Health at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, poignantly states, "Those of us who understood the EU warned repeatedly about precisely these concerns. These findings are not just predictable, they were predicted." This is not a case of unforeseen consequences. It's a tragic validation of concerns that were dismissed or ignored. The implications extend beyond the immediate impact on individual patients. The report reveals a broader chilling effect on research and development within the UK. The added costs and complexities associated with participating in international clinical trials are deterring researchers and pharmaceutical companies from investing in the UK, hindering innovation and progress in the fight against cancer. This means fewer opportunities for breakthroughs, fewer new treatments, and ultimately, fewer lives saved. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting not only cancer research, but the entire healthcare ecosystem. The UK's ability to collaborate with leading research institutions across Europe has been significantly weakened, limiting access to expertise, resources, and cutting-edge technologies. This isolationism is actively harming the UK's ability to remain at the forefront of global medical advancements. This report is not merely a collection of statistics, it's a human tragedy unfolding in real time. It underscores the human cost of Brexit, a cost paid in suffering and lives lost. The chilling statistics paint a picture of a healthcare system struggling to cope with the additional burden imposed by Brexit, leaving patients waiting longer for essential treatments and facing a drastically reduced chance of survival. This is not about politics, it's about people. The report's release follows a previous Guardian exposé revealing the catastrophic delays in basic cancer treatments faced by hundreds of thousands of UK citizens. These delays, characterized as routine, are not merely inconvenient, they are deadly. Children are being denied timely care, adults are forced to endure agonizing waits, and the consequences are devastating. This report serves as a stark reminder of the devastating human cost of political decisions. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. The report calls for immediate action to address the systemic failures highlighted within its pages. It demands a comprehensive review of Brexit's impact on healthcare and a swift implementation of strategies to mitigate the damage and restore access to life-saving treatments for all British citizens. The time for inaction is over. The lives of countless individuals depend on it. The question now is, will the government finally heed the warnings and act to prevent further suffering? The answer will determine the future of cancer care in the UK, and the lives of countless individuals depend on it.